Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out taste characteristics and how you can add your own taste characteristics that you have discovered in a particular wine while tasting it to the Vivino application. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the search button down below and type in the name of wine. Tap on it. Then scroll down until you find the taste characteristics section. Here you can find the characteristics and the slide indicating which one is it. So it can be either light or bold. So as you can see, it's on the middle. So it's between the two characteristics. Here you can find what people talk about. In terms of the main notes of a wine. So if you tap on the show more icon, you can see what taste notes are discovered in a while, why people were tasting the wine. Here you can check out the reviews with that particular characteristic mentioned in it. And if you want to indicate your own taste characteristics and notes that you have discovered in a wine, tap on the edit button on the right side of the screen, and here you should drag the sliders to match your opinion, as you can see, like this. So slide to the right point to indicate your taste you discovered, and tap on the done button. So if you want to add any of these taste notes, all you have to do is go to the top of the screen, and when you add your rating, then you will be able to select the flavors that you discovered by tapping on the add flavors button. And here you have a bunch of options you can choose from, such as caramel, chocolate, butterscotch, coffee, tobacco, red cherry, and so on. So just simply tap on the plus icon next to it, thereby adding the flavor. Here you can find it. So tap on the done button in the upper right corner to save. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.